Hello and welcome to today's tutorial, Header and Footer. A header is a section at the top of a worksheet which will be repeated on each printout. Likewise, a footer is a section at the bottom of a worksheet which will be repeated. To add information to the header and/or footer, first click on the Insert tab. Click the Header and Footer tool once to enable the worksheet header and footer to be edited. There are 3 sections to the header and the same for the footer: left, right and centre. To add information to the header, click the cursor into one of the 3 sections. Use the keyboard to add information, such as your name. Use the page number tool to number each page in the worksheet. Clicking the File Name tool will display the workbook's saved file name. To edit the footer of the worksheet, click the Go to Footer tool. Like the header, there are 3 sections within the footer: left, right and centre. Watch how I use the Current Date tool to add today's date to the left footer section. Use the Current Time tool to add the present time to the worksheet. The Number of Pages tool will add the total sum of the number of pages in the worksheet. The quickest way to exit the header and footer is to click into a cell in the worksheet. When exiting the header and footer, the view will change to the Page Layout view. To return to the default view, click the Normal tool on the status bar. Rows can be repeated at the top of each printed page using the tools under the Sheet options. To locate the sheet options, click the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. To see additional sheet options, click the small arrow on the toolbar. Observe. To repeat rows at the top of the printouts, first ensure that the Sheet tab is selected. Click the button at the end of the text box and use the cursor to select the row to be repeated. Once the row is selected, click the small button again to return to the dialog box. Now, when this worksheet is printed, row 4 will appear at the top of all pages.